Hi Susi, what are you looking for the Christmas holidays?
I'm happy to celebrate the Christmas with my family and have fun with my boys and maybe, I hope, with my parents. We will see. We will have a lot of fun, I think.
I'm really looking forward to see my parents and my sister and to have a nice, relaxing Christmas celebration.
I hope I can go to my parents and have the traditional Christmas meal.
Good food and holidays.
I was expecting that glühwein at a Christmas market, but this year is so special. So I think we'd better stay at home.
Yes, to calm down again, be happy that we're all healthy and that the first crazy year is over and hope for some new year.
For the holiday season, so I will spend most of my time maybe with my family and stay at home safe.
What does Christmas or the holiday season mean to you?
Well, I think that's similar to many people. It's a family time in the year. For us it's Easter and Christmas, so even though this time family will be much smaller, but still will be there.
Family and good food.
Special festival, and friends and family stay together. So I think that's the most important thing.
Online. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a Zoom party. Oh my god. Well, it's at least something.
For me it's a family celebration only with my parents and my sister. It means glühwein and Christmas cookies and Christmas markets. Hopefully next year.
What do you wish for yourself and others?
Okay, yeah, everyone stay healthy and have a happy and safe Christmas holiday.
I wish everyone will stay healthy and can have a nice Christmas celebration, and let's hope that next year will be better, but still I think we can have a nice Christmas this year.
I wish everyone to be healthy this pandemic time and stay safe with your families and enjoy the holidays.
Maybe also maintain some of the more calm down lifestyle for a longer time, because I think it's actually also more healthy.
Stay healthy, good food and family.
Then thank you and frohe Weihnachten.
Frohe Weihnachten!
圣诞快乐，祝你们玩得开心。
Frohe Weihnachten!
Seid ihr خوب و خوش داشته باشین.
Ja, frohe Weihnachten und ein gesundes und glückliches neues Jahr.
Mkuwe na Christmas njema. Have a wonderful Christmas.